Students, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. इस वीडियो में मैं मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी. So first question is name the elements that determine the weather of a place. Elements के नेम बताने हैं जो किसी प्लेस के वेदर को डिटरमाइन करता हो. Answer: the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are the elements that determine the weather of a place. Next question: when are the maximum and minimum temperatures likely to occur during the day? कह रहा है दिन के समय कब मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर होता है और कब मिनिमम टेम्परेचर होता है. Answer: the maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. Next question, fill in the blanks. The average weather taken over a long time is called dash. Answer: climate. Next, fill in the blanks. A place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be dash and dash. Answer: hot and dry. Next, fill in the blanks is the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are dash and dash. Answer: tropical rainforest and polar region. Now question number 4. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas. इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ एरियाज दिए हुए हैं, आपको उस एरिया के क्लाइमेट के बारे में बताना है. सो फर्स्ट एरिया इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. क्लाइमेट नेम इज मॉडरेटली हॉट एंड वेट. नेक्स्ट एरिया इज केरला. क्लाइमेट नेम इज वेरी हॉट एंड वेट. Next area is Rajasthan. Climate name is very hot and dry. Next area is Northeast India. Climate name is wet. Now question number 5. Which of two changes frequently, weather or climate? कह रहा है इन दोनों में से कौन frequently change होता है? Answer is climate. Now question number 6. Following are some of the characteristics of animals. These are the characteristics of animals. Now first part of the question. For each characteristic, indicate whether it is adaptation for tropical rainforest or polar regions. कह रहा है कि दिए हुए characteristics में आपको बताना है कि कौन characteristic tropical rainforest का है और कौन सा characteristic polar region का है. Now second part of the question, do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for both regions? कह रहा है कि क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि कोई characteristics जो है दोनों region के लिए? Now answer. For this, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write characteristics and in second column, you have to write region name. So first characteristic is diets heavy on fruits. Region name, tropical rainforest. Next, white fur. Region name, polar region. Next, need to migrate. Region name, polar region. Next, loud voice. Region name, tropical rainforest. Next, sticky pad on feet. Region name, tropical rainforest. Next, layer of fats under the skin. Region name, polar region. Next, wide and large paws. Region name, polar region. Next, bright colors. Region name, tropical rainforest. Next, strong tails. Region name, tropical rainforest. Next, long and large beak. Region name, tropical rainforest. Now second part of the answer. No, none of these characteristics can be adapted for both regions. Now question number 7. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. कह रहा है कि ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में एनिमल का पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा होता है, ऐसा क्यों? एक्सप्लेन करो. नाउ आंसर. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट इज लोकेटेड अराउंड द इक्वेटर and its climate is hot and humid, due to which it has a variety of flora and fauna and hence has a large population of animals. Now question number 8. Explain with examples why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climatic conditions. इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि एग्जाम्पल के साथ एक्सप्लेन करो कि क्यों कुछ एनिमल्स पर्टिकुलर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस में पाए जाते हैं. आंसर. Animals in the polar region are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having some special characteristics such as white fur, strong sense of smell, a layer of fat under the skin, wide and large paws for swimming and walking, etc. Now question number 9. How do elephant living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? कह रहा है कि कैसे elephant tropical rainforest को adapt करता है. Answer. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforest in many remarkable ways. First point, its trunk uses it as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Second point, large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Next point, moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Now choose the correct options with answers the following questions. अब MCQs के कुछ questions है. Question number 10. A carnivore with stripes on its body move very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in first option polar regions, second option deserts, third option oceans, fourth option tropical rainforest. Answer will be tropical rainforests. Now question number 11. Which features adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climates? First option, a white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Second option, thin skin, large eyes, and white fur. Next option, a long tail, strong claws, white large paws. Next option, white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. Answer will be white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. Now next and last question. Question number 12. Which option best describes a tropical region? First option, hot and humid. Second option, moderate temperature and heavy rainfall. Next option, cold and humid. Next option, hot and dry. Answer will be hot and humid. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।